Companies Act, Section 437, Appeal and Revision against Orders of Special Courts. Section 437 of the Companies Act, 2013 outlines the appellate and revisional jurisdiction of the High Court over criminal matters adjudicated by special courts established under the Act. Because special courts serve as the main judicial bodies for trying offences related to company law such as fraud, misstatements, or violations of statutory obligations, this provision ensures that their decisions do not become final without further judicial review. It reinforces an important system of checks and balances in the administration of corporate criminal justice. 1. High Court's powers for appeals and revisions. The High Court is vested with all appellate and revisional powers that are provided under Chapters XXIX and XXX of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, CRPC. These chapters govern criminal appeals and revision proceedings. Consequently, the High Court has the authority to hear appeals against convictions, acquittals, or sentencing orders issued by special courts, examine whether any finding, sentence, or order passed by the special court suffers from legal error or procedural irregularity, intervene in cases involving substantial injustice, misuse of judicial discretion, or violation of fundamental legal principles, modify, confirm, set aside, or reverse the orders and judgments delivered by special courts, direct a retrial, additional investigation, or further inquiry whenever the interests of justice demand it. This broad supervisory role preserves the rule of law and prevents any miscarriage of justice that could arise due to incorrect interpretation or application of company law-related criminal provisions. 2. Special Court deemed as Court of Session. For the purpose of handling appeals and revisions, every special court is legally treated as a court of session within the territorial jurisdiction of the respective High Court. Therefore, all appeals and revision petitions against special court orders follow the same procedures and standards applied to conventional criminal cases tried by sessions courts. The established appellate hierarchy under criminal law remains intact, ensuring consistency and smooth functioning of judicial processes. This classification ensures that offences under company law, many of which are serious and complex, receive the same level of judicial scrutiny and protections as other major criminal offences under the CRPC. 3. Purpose and importance of Section 437. Section 437 plays a vital role in maintaining fairness and uniformity in the prosecution of corporate offences. Its key objectives include ensuring judicial oversight over the functioning and decisions of special courts, providing an effective appellate mechanism for individuals or entities adversely affected by criminal orders passed under the Companies Act, safeguarding against wrongful convictions, excessive penalties, or procedural lapses during trial, promoting consistency in interpretation and application of criminal provisions related to corporate misconduct, enhancing accountability of special courts and reinforcing deterrence through correct enforcement of the law. Without this appellate structure, decisions of special courts could become unchallengeable, increasing the risk of injustice and undermining legal integrity. 4. Enhancing legal certainty and public confidence. The provision also contributes to the broader objectives of the justice system by upholding public trust in corporate law enforcement and judiciary, ensuring that both the accused and the prosecution receive fair treatment under established principles of criminal jurisprudence, balancing the need for swift trials essential in corporate crime cases with the right to seek correction of judicial errors through appeal or revision. For more details, contact us.